Kia ora. This is the scrapbook, and here is the speech bubble with He aha te tai, what's the colour? First page has got all of the nouns that are featured in the posters. This is a cool little waiata that is on the internet, and it's great because it has the formulaic expression He aha te tai. So by singing this, your tamariki will get to know how to say that better, so will you. So here is the QR code, and if you haven't used them before, they're really easy. You just download it, it comes up, you open the URL, and it means that your tamariki can listen to the waiata over and over again, and that will help them with the words and the phrase. Okay, if you want to know the meaning of those phrases, here they are. Here is the freebie poster, and it has all of these nouns on this page, and if you go back to the first page, that's the translation for what these are. Okay, so again, we've got a smaller call out, smaller speech bubble with the He aha te tai, but this time o te, of the. So He aha te tai o te tomato, He aha te tai o te whare, He aha te tai o te rōpere, and this other little freebie that was part of the flipbook freebie. So you can put them all together. Your tamariki can draw or write or put other things on this part. And that's kind of the same for all of the other colours. So you've got pango, kākāriki, kōwhai, karaka, parauri, mawhero, kikorangi. And as you can see, that would keep your tamariki busy for a long time. So classification sentences are here sentences, and they describe what someone or something is and what qualities they have. So they answer the questions, what is or what are. And just getting back to this, you know, we learn lots and lots of waiata, but they are such an awesome way of learning to read, because the tamariki will sing the waiata, sing over and over again, and then after they, when they do their word matching to the waiata, they can be identifying words. So really valuable if you can find a waiata to go with your learning. I hope you enjoy this.